This is going to be a short video on a couple bowls that I made today. One thing I like about wood turning is that it is a project where you can get started and completed in one day. One thing I don't like about wood turning is it scares the living tar out of me every time I do it. But I think they came out pretty nice, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Some time ago, I purchased these two filigree hummingbird and filigree butterfly bowl lids. And I've been meaning to actually make something with them, and I think it's time. Let's see how it works. I have a log here that I milled out. It's been drying in my outdoor drying daily whacker, and I got a piece already in the chuck ready to rock and roll with it. So we're gonna get started and see how it works out. It's been a while since I have done any wood turning, so there's a good chance that I'm gonna mess up. So we'll see. This piece of wood had some rot on it and it busted apart. Oh well, try again. Alright, that's another project done, and I'm pretty pleased on the way they came out. This one here, I peeled off the bark because I didn't like the way it looked. We got a nice little bowl there. And then this one here, I left the bark on because, heck, you know, what the hell. Another nice little bowl. So, my wife has told me multiple times no more wood in the house. So I'm thinking maybe taking this one to Goodwill.
Oh no, those are beautiful.
Okay, I guess maybe not. Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.
Good job. Even a blind squirrel finds a nut once in a while.